Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Outdoor Products affiliate deals. Amazon Associates setup step by step clearly. To get started with Amazon Associates, visit the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the Join Now for Free button. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Fill in the required information to set up your new account. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to fill out your account information. Provide your preferred payment method for receiving commissions. Next, you'll need to enter your website or mobile app details. If you don't have a website, you may use a social media account or blog. Make sure to provide accurate content descriptions and how you'll promote Amazon products. Amazon will ask you to select a niche for your affiliate marketing efforts. For outdoor products, choose a related category like sports or outdoors. After that, proceed to the profile section. Complete your profile by providing information about your marketing strategies. Once your profile is complete, you will receive your unique affiliate ID. Now, navigate to the Amazon product page to find outdoor products. Search for the specific items you want to promote. Once you find a product, click on the Get Link button. You will have options to generate text links, image links, or custom links. Choose the format that best fits your content style. Copy the generated affiliate link. Go to your website or platform where you'll share the links. Paste the affiliate link in your content and provide helpful details about the product. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationship. Once your links are live, monitor your dashboard for clicks and conversions. You can adjust your strategy based on what products perform best. Regularly check for new outdoor products to promote on Amazon. Stay updated with Amazon's policies to ensure compliance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.